Hello friends, it's Shayla with Singing a New Song. My kitchen is in desperate need of a deep cleaning. As you can see, every area needs to be reorganized. The shelves have all gotten so cluttered, and I am really ready for a change. I've been wanting to get to it for a while and just take everything off the shelves, clean them, and start fresh with some new items that I have found recently at the thrift store. So that's what I'm doing today. Here I am decluttering. I've got everything off the shelves and I'm trying to decide what I want to put back up and what I want to find a new place for. Lately, I've been doing a lot of thinking about what I want on these shelves, and one of the things that I really love is wood. So of course my wooden bowls are something that's going to stay, and I've also got these metal baskets that are just too practical not to have, and I like the looks of them as well. I don't have much storage space for things like towels. I don't have a lot of drawers. My solution for that is to just hang what I can. And another solution I have that I really love is to find pieces that are not just practical but also serve as decor, like these pie plates or dishes that I had made. Actually, I had them custom made so they would fit in with my kitchen. So I've had these open shelves for a few months now, and it's given me a lot of time to play around and figure out best placement for things like these nuts and cooking ingredients. It's also given me some time to really think about the aesthetics and what looks right where. Like a lot of people, I like to create stations in my kitchen where, like there's a corner for baking and then there's a corner for chopping. I've loved these open shelves from day one, but it has taken some time to get them just right. And partially that is because I like to slowly bring in pieces. I don't like to run out and just grab everything at once. I like to methodically put pieces in that I found on the good deal and that I really like. Okay, I don't know about your fridge, but mine seems to be a collecting ground where papers kind of go to be forgotten. So I am cleaning off the front of the fridge today, and I'm going to put all the important notes in other places, like the corkboard that I recently did and in my planner. I think that's going to work a lot better for us. By the way, I have an eco-friendly cleaning video. I will link to that for you guys. It's got my recipe for a stainless steel cleaner that is magnificent. These are the niftiest little sponges. They are natural, eco-friendly cleaning sponges. I will link to them below. I really love how having a properly organized kitchen just makes everything about cooking and just being in the space so much more pleasant. I did not get to the pantry today. I ran out of time, but I guess that just means I will do that in an upcoming video for you soon, all to itself probably. I'm trying to figure out how to make these baskets work because I like the looks of them. And I like to be able to kind of like grab and go with them. So we'll see. So this is the first time I've gone through and really cleaned off my countertops this much. And I'm liking it. I'm really hoping I can keep them more clutter free from now on.